Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we are on track to be debt-free using the savings from using digital coupons. The best part is anybody can do this. So if you have debt or you want to start building up an emergency fund, be able to start taking your kids on annual vacations, anybody can do this when you use the savings from using digital coupons and stack your deals the right way. So I'm going to be showing you all the best deals this week at Walgreens using only your phone. And at the end, I'm going to show you the 2 transactions I'm going to do. I'm going to fully explain all of my strategy behind it for why and how I'm able to grab $86 worth of products today for $17 out of pocket. So if you guys are new here and you want to be able to pay off your debt and you want the best deals, make sure you click that subscribe button and you should stick around. Below in the description box is going to be a ton of resources for you. The link to my free live masterclass this Wednesday, where I'm teaching you my step-by-step process for how to find the best deals and how to take your savings to be able to use it to pay off your debt and build your emergency fund. So that link will be below for you guys. If you want to register, it's live. I do have a Q&A at the end as well, so please bring me your questions so that I can personally help you. The breakdown as well with some of the different deals that I'm going to be doing today is below in the description box. So you can print it, go to the store, and be able to do some of the deals. Now, keep in mind, I'm going to be using some register rewards and stuff from last week that I earned, but you can always pay with register rewards on any deal. And it's really important that you coupon once per week. So I explained that a little bit in the video as well. At the end, I'm going to show you how to check if you have a monthly digital spend booster. So this week, I am finishing my monthly spend booster, which was spend 40 4 times, get $20 back in Walgreens cash. So I only need one more transaction, which I'm going to do today, to be able to earn back $20 in Walgreens cash. So at the end of the video, I'll let you know how you can check to see how many purchases have tracked towards your monthly booster, so you know how many you have left and see if it's going to be worth it for you. So let's pop inside and grab some really good deals this week. The first deal we're going to do is on Head & Shoulders. So these are $7 each on sale. And when you buy them in store, buy 2 of them, you'll get a $4 register reward. This deal is online as well, but instead of a register reward, you're going to earn Walgreens cash. I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So I'm going to pay $10 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, makes my final cost $6 for 2 of them, or just $3 a piece. Next deal I'm grabbing is on oral care. So we're going to do Crest and Colgate this week. These are on sale for $4.50. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. We do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward. Make sure net cost just 50 cents a piece. Anything $1 or less for oral care, in my opinion, is a perfect stock up price. Then we're going to grab the Crest deal. So the larger ones this week are on sale for $5. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. I'm going to grab 2 of them. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. You're going to pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, makes them only $1 a piece. Still a good stock up price for me, and I'm actually low on oral care, so I'm going to grab them. Next deal I'm really excited about, it's on Afrin. So these are buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2 in store, get a $5 register reward. We do have a $2 off 1 digital coupon for the half ounce size. We're going to wind up paying $12.98 out of pocket. You're going to earn back the $5 register reward. Then you're going to submit to checkout 51. You'll get a $2 coupon reimbursement for the second product because we only used 1 coupon. Then you're going to submit the same receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $2 cash back each. So in total, we're getting $6 cash back from Ibotta and checkout 51. That makes your final cost $1.98 for 2 of them, or 99 cents each. Online, they are a little bit cheaper, but you don't get the register reward back, so it's a better deal to do it in store. The next deal I'm going to do is on Shea Moisture. Now, select products are included, and their spend 20, get $5 register reward. These are the products that I specifically use for my son. He has curly hair, and I'm almost out of the leave-in conditioner that I spray on after his baths. So I'm going to grab these at $10 each. And we have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon. So when you grab 2, you're right at $20, good to go. After the $2.50 digital comes off, you'll pay $17.50, get back a $5 register reward, makes your final cost $12.50 for 2 of them, or $6.25 a piece. The amount of clearance at Walgreens right now is insane, so you definitely want to double check. Keep in mind, you can always stack a digital coupon with a product that's on clearance. So Safeguard is on clearance right now, $3.99 each. These Dove hand soaps are 50% off, just $2.99, which is cheaper than Walmart. Walmart, they are like $3.94 or something. There's also a ton of clearance in the body wash aisle, so definitely double check. And in the deodorant section, now my store is out of most of the products that are on clearance, but there are a lot that have digital coupons, so definitely check. There's some Dove still left over that are on clearance. So for example, this Dove whole body right here, that's 50% off. It's $6.79. We have a $3 off one digital coupon, so you'd pay $3.79. The Dove Men Plus Care whole body is $7.99 on clearance. We have a $5 off one digital coupon. You would pay just $2.99, which is an amazing deal. So this is the first transaction that I'm gonna do. Now, I did not get a weekly spend booster this week, but I am finishing a monthly spend booster that I had for spend 40, 4 times, get $20 back in Walgreens cash. This will be my 4th transaction. So I have to make sure my total is $40 or more in product value when you're adding up all the sale prices. So total for all of these is gonna be $46.48. So I'm gonna use $5 in Walgreens cash. Now my total is $41.48. After all of the manufacturer digital coupons come off, we have $14 worth. I would pay $27.48 plus taxes out of pocket. I do have some register rewards I'm gonna use to lower my cost. So after I use those, I will pay about $16.48 plus taxes. Then I'm gonna earn back a $4 register reward, a $4 register reward, a $5 register reward, and another $4 register reward. Plus, I'm gonna earn back $2 cash back from Checkout 51 for the Afrin, and $4 cash back from Ibotta for the Afrin deal, and the $20 in Walgreens cash. That makes all of these free and a $10.52 moneymaker. So this is gonna be my 2nd transaction. Now in my Everyday Savings Club, I teach my members to always do a minimum of 2 transactions. That way you can use your rewards from your first transaction that you earn to lower your cost on your 2nd transaction. There should always be 2 main objectives when you're couponing. Number 1, you're saving money on products that you actually use. And number 2, having the lowest out-of-pocket possible. So for this transaction, total product value for all of these is gonna be $33.48. After the coupons come off, so total for all of these products is about $40. Then after all the coupons come off, I would pay $33.48 out of pocket, but that's really high. Now, I'm gonna be getting back $17 worth of register rewards from my first transaction. I'm gonna use those to lower my cost. I would pay $16.48, but in my opinion, that's still too high of an out-of-pocket cost. So I'm gonna use $10 in Walgreens cash, because remember, I earned $20 in Walgreens cash from my first transaction. So I can use 10 to further stack the deal and lower my cost. Now I'm paying only $6.48 plus taxes out of pocket. So in my club, I teach you guys how to stack your deals and make sure that you have the lowest out of pocket possible so you can use your savings to pay off your debt or build up your emergency fund.
All right, we're back in from Walgreens. The Shea Moisture register reward from my 2nd transaction did not print, so they went ahead and gave me $5 in Walgreens cash. Not sure why it didn't print. All the products were included, they were tagged. The thing is with register rewards not printing is there's so many different UPC codes for so many different products that are included. If they don't, like when they're setting up the deals and the register rewards and stuff, like enter in all of the correct data, then there could be one product that triggers it to print and one product that doesn't, and there's no way of knowing that. So that's kind of the bummer when it comes to couponing at Walgreens, but they gave me back the Walgreens cash instead, so it's all good. So let's go over these transactions, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm paying about $17 for all of these products. So at the end, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna take you with me, and we are gonna enter in the information in the digital budget spreadsheet that I use. I built it myself, it's custom, it's perfect. If you guys wanna use it as well, it'll be linked below for you. So that way you can see my exact cash cost. So my first transaction was everything I showed you in the video. used my register rewards from last week, digital coupons came off, used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $20.96 including taxes out of pocket. Then I earned back, I hate how it like washes me out so much sometimes. Anyway, then I earned back all of my register rewards. They all printed for me to use in my second transaction. So my second transaction, I did the Shea Moisture and Gain. This one that says $5 off a $5 plus purchase, that is the Afrin register reward. It is printing a store register reward, which is different than a manufacturer register reward. So just heads up on that. Everything else came off. If you're in my Everyday Savings Club, make sure you download the resource that's in Kajabi with all the video trainings. There is a complete PDF that teaches you how to use register rewards, how to use Walgreens cash so you can lower your out-of-pocket costs. So make sure you get that downloaded. Then I used $20 in Walgreens cash, which I had just earned, so perfect. Paid $2.93 out of pocket. And then, like I said, the one register reward printed and the other one did not print. But it still worked out great. So I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got $4 cash back. Then I submitted over to Checkout 51 for another $2 cash back. So when you're earning cash back, it lowers your overall cash cost, right? So let's head home. I'm going to show you in my budget spreadsheet how we track this and how much money I've saved so far this month that I'll be able to put towards debt and our emergency fund. So now that we're home, let's take 30 seconds and input all of our information in our budget spreadsheet. So if you're not saving as much as you want, this is key. I talk to my Everyday Savings Club members about this every single day. You've got to make sure that you're tracking your spending, because if you're not tracking it, you have no way of analyzing it, managing it, seeing how much money you're saving, etc. So please take my word for it. Track your spending. If you want my spreadsheet, you guys can download it. I'll link it here for you guys. And then you can just copy it the rest of your life. Or go on like Google Drive, go on Excel, whatever, and you can build your own. This one took me a very long time to build, and I had to pay somebody a couple $100s to be able to finish it. So if you want mine, grab it. If not, build your own. What we're going to do is put in the date, 26. Then you're going to pick your store from the drop down. Now, I only did 2 transactions, so I'm going to do 2 lines. Sale price is going to be the total cost of all the products on sale, okay? Paid, how much you swiped your card for at checkout, including taxes, everything. What did you swipe your card for? For me, it was $20.96. Cash back on this one was $6. And my second transaction was $39.98. Paid out of pocket was only $2.93. And no cash back on this one. So this is going to update and average this out for you. So I've saved an average of 71% this month on everything that I've needed, all my family essentials. And total money saved, this is all going to calculate for you, $492.39. So just to give you an example, in my club, we do the 50-30-20 rule, because you want to make sure that you are actually taking action with this money and it's not just sitting in your checking account. Otherwise, it's going to disappear to everyday expenses, coffee runs, Target trips, etc. So with the 50-30-20 rule, here's how I'm going to be able to be debt-free this year by doing this 5-step system that I follow. $492.39 times 0.5. If I didn't coupon anymore and do any more deals for the rest of the month, I would be making an additional payment towards my debt this month of $246.19. So what I'm doing with that is putting it towards my student loans, so that way I can be totally done with my student loans this year, and then I'm going to tackle my car payment and everything as well. But that's just goes to show you guys like how powerful it can be when you're couponing the right way, doing deals on products you actually need, and then taking action with the money you're saving. So it's not rocket science, it's just a simple structure that you've got to make sure that you're following. So if you want to come to my free live masterclass, I'm going to be breaking this down for you guys in way more detail. It's this Wednesday. So you can click the link here. You guys can reserve your seat. It's live. Bring me your questions. I'd love to help you at the end. And I will see you guys there. Bye.